Rich Dad Poor Dad. What if everything you thought about money was wrong? This book challenges conventional wisdom, revealing the stark differences in financial philosophy between the rich and the poor. The author, Robert Kiyosaki, had two dads, his own, a highly educated but financially struggling poor dad, and his best friend's father, a high school dropout who became a self-made millionaire, his rich dad. So what's the big secret? It's all about how you see money. The poor and middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. Your house. Rich Dad says it's not an asset. It's a liability, because it takes money out of your pocket every month for mortgages, taxes, and repairs. An asset, on the other hand, puts money into your pocket. Think about it like this. Your salary from your job is active income. You have to trade your time for it. But assets, like rental properties, stocks that pay dividends, or a business that runs without you, generate passive income. They make money even while you sleep. The key to wealth is to buy or create assets that generate more and more passive income. Rich Dad's first rule is you must know the difference between an asset and a liability, and buy assets. Poor Dad's advice was go to school, get good grades, find a safe, secure job. That path might make you comfortable, but it won't make you rich. It traps you in what Kiyosaki calls the rat race, an endless cycle of working for money to pay bills, with no way out. To escape the rat race, you need financial education. Schools teach us how to work for money, but not how to manage it or make it grow. Rich Dad emphasized learning about investing, accounting, and understanding markets. It's not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you keep and how hard it works for you. So, here's a challenge for you. Look at your own finances. What are your assets? What are your liabilities? Are you buying things that make you money, or just things that cost you money? Start small. Read books, watch videos, maybe even invest a small amount to learn the ropes. The journey to financial freedom starts with changing your mindset. Stop working for money and start making money work for you. It's a powerful shift that can change your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights that can help you build your wealth. See you in the next video.